are you doing, my lovely brothers and sisters? Thank you for joining me today. So guys, today it's gonna be a really quick one. What I have over here is papaya seed. In my country we call it PAWPAW. I bought one and I peeled it. This is the back of it. That's PAWPAW. Scientifically it's called carica papaya. So I'm going to be showing you today what you can do with this seed. Most people tend to throw it out. They don't know that it has a lot of nutritional value. Believe me, a lot of benefits attached to this seed. Guys, you can eat this seed raw. It's a little spicy, but it is edible, believe me. You could read about it. Also, you could use it for your oil, like for the body or for the hair, or to treat acne and things like that. But today I'm going to be telling you what I'm going to be using this for. Right now I'm washing it out in the water. You know, it's kind of, it has like a gelatin feel when you scoop it out from the papaya. It's kind of slimy. So what you have to do, you separate, you know, this orangey part, separate it from it, and then run cold water through it to just, you know, clean up the gelatin feel like a little bit. All right, guys, it's actually clean right now. So the next step will be to get a pan, like a baking pan or a cookie sheet, and I'm gonna put my parchment paper on it. Then I'm gonna spread this and put it in the oven to dry off. If you do not want to put in the oven, if you're in a warm climate, just go ahead, put it outside and let the sun air dry it for you, okay? So right now, I go ahead and transfer it into the baking pan, spread it all out, and it's gonna go in the oven. You have to be watching this, guys. You can't leave it in the oven. You have to keep watching it. What I use mine to do, like when I want to boil goat meat or any hard meat, I use it as a tenderizer. I'm pretty sure some people don't know that it's used as a tenderizer. And also, you could blend it, which I might do at the end. You could blend it and put like a teaspoon of it in your cup of coffee or tea. It has an antioxidant in it. It has a lot of benefit. It helps with digestion, inflammation, and a whole lot of things. So I tend to use it a lot. It's natural. The next thing to do with this is the skin. You can also, you know, put the fruit itself. This is the fruit. I don't want to add. I'm just going to take a little from here because this is going to be the fruit, the snacks for us. So I'm just going to add a little bit from here. I'll put it into here. What we are doing is we are doing a papaya glycerin oil. This helps to exfoliate your skin, nourishes your skin, brightens your color, your original color God gave to you. It will brighten it up, make it look shiny. And you know, papaya has something called Papain in it. That's what helps with all this. So just watch what I do anyway. I'm just going to go ahead and blend this, and then I show you the next step. While we're blending, please do not add any water. It doesn't need any liquid. All we need is just the papaya. You can add the seed too, but because I want the seed for my seasoning, I'm not adding the seed. But naturally, normally you could add the seed, the skin, and the whole papaya as a whole. But I'm using just the peel and some little, like you see me took off. And then we're gonna go and blend. Alright guys, so here you're gonna be needing a glass bottle. Please no plastic, a glass bottle. So you're gonna go ahead and scoop out our papaya, scoop it into the glass bottle. You know why you need a glass bottle? Because it's gonna be going into the pot for like 40 minutes. I have the water boiling already. Like 35 to 40 minutes actually. That's how long it's gonna take to boil it. Alright, So now we're going to be needing vegetable glycerin. It has to be 100% pure. Remember, this is glycerin papaya. Okay, so I'm going to be emptying the whole bottle into this. You want it to cover it all. If you do not have glycerin, please go ahead and use like probably coconut oil, because coconut oil is very, very good for the skin. But I have glycerin, so I prefer this because this gives more better results to it. Okay, so you see the glycerin is right on top of the blended papaya. So this is how it's supposed to be, and this is how it's going to go into the pot. So I put the lid and I transfer this into the boiling water on the stove. Alright, now the water is boiled and we're going to go ahead and leave it right here. I'm just going to place this on top of the bottle, and it's going to sit here for 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, so we'll be right back. Alright, let's see. Okay guys, this is good enough. So I'm just going to let it cool a little bit, and then I pour it in the either your spice grinder or your blender to blend it, and that's it for the second. Okay, so I'm going to be blending it right here. So now we're going to go ahead and blend. So guys, you see it? This is it. It looks exactly like black pepper. Guess what? When you use this to cook, it gives more taste, more than black pepper. Try it out and let me know in the comment box below if and when you do. Try it out in your food. Let me know. Believe me, you will really like it. I bet some of you never knew you could use this for seasoning or for as a meat tenderizer. Now you know. Every day we learn. That's one thing about YouTube. We learn every day. So I'm just going to store it in my bottle container here, and that's it. Anytime I need it, I'll just bring it out. Alright guys, so you see it? That's our papaya black seed. That is so nice. Give this a try. So we're still waiting for the papaya itself to get done. You know, it's 40 minutes. I should be like 10 more minutes now, and then we're good to go. But for the seed, we're ready. Guys, it's exactly 40 minutes. It's been boiling. That's the blended papaya. I turn off the stove. I love this, my gloves, guys. I just bought it. It's good to pick up any hot thing. So I'm gonna allow this to cool a little bit so it doesn't burn my hand. You're gonna need a funnel and the container where you want to put your oil, and the sieve cloth. If you do not have a sieve cloth, you could get a very clean chiffon material and use it to sieve the shaft from the oil. Okay, so let's let it cool a little bit, and then I go ahead and put it in the sieve so I could be able to press it out without being burnt. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pour this our blended mixture into this sieve. It's still quite hot, but I don't want the video to be too long. So what I'll do now is press out all the juice, or do I say the oil? Press it out from the, just gently. It doesn't matter if some pulps get into it, that's fine. It can still be sieved. Alright guys, you see the little pulp that's got in. I use this little sifter to sift it out. And you can see that. And there you go. Your brightening oil, you put your funnel. You just transfer it into your little container. I'm pretty sure if I press out more, I'm gonna get more. So guys, this is your papaya seed oil. You know, this oil can aid in, you know, to relieve any itchy, scaly, irritated skin condition, you know, something like eczema, psoriasis and things like that. And because it contains vitamin C, and you know vitamin C can help to combat wrinkles, you know, large pores, acne, dark spots and other skin blemishes. That's what vitamin C can do for you. So when you use this, you're going to be getting all these benefits. And this is natural, as you can see. No chemical added. This is natural. God is good. He gave us a lot of natural stuff we can use. If you're dark, if you're light skin, this will just brighten you up and, you know, even out your skin properly the way it's supposed to be. You see that? So today we got to do the black seed oil, papaya black seed oil, and we got to do our spice, our meat tenderizer with the papaya seed. So this is it, guys. This is the seed, the papaya seed. We gotta make our spice and the oil, exfoliating oil, my glycerin papaya oil. Wow, guys, give it a try. You know, give it a try, help your skin. So thank you for joining me. Go ahead and try this. If you have a question, please drop it at the comment box below. Leave me your comments, a suggestion, whatever. Like the video, share the video. If you haven't subscribed, please, I beg you, kindly go and subscribe, support my channel. And to you, my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. You are the real MVP. Thank you so much. It's good to see you, guys, to have you on my channel all the time. Thank you. Stay safe, stay blessed, and bye.